Hello, my name's Holly Kelly, and I'm going to take you through a sample Hapara Workspace. Hapara Workspaces are an amazing tool for students to use. They're effective and they're an efficient way to organize the content that you're sharing with students or a specific audience. With that being said, to increase workflow, one of the things that we can use is the power of color in a Hapara Workspace. Now let's go back a minute. When I first started using Hapara Workspace, I was splashing the cards with all different kind of colors without much thought in my mind. And the feedback was not positive. Students were not being able to better navigate the workspace because of my use of color coding the cards. So with that being said, using color in Hapara Workspace can really increase the workflow or really hinder it. So let's take a moment to observe what we're looking at. In this Hapara Workspace, we have 4 columns and each column has an individual card. The cards are matching in style and they're also matching in color with each card being pink. If I scroll down, the same is to be said for purple. If I continue to the next section, the same is to be said about yellow, and the rest of the Hapara Workspace follows suit with that. So in this Hapara Workspace, each section is its own card. The key here is to stay in a routine and stay consistent so students know how to navigate your workspace beyond the first one you share. In my class, I always color code the sections with the same color. Is that the only way, and is it the right way? Absolutely not. It is just a way that helps your users navigate your workspace with more ease. So let's go ahead and find out, how do we change the color? We're going to find the snowman, rather the marching ant, and we're going to click the marching ants here, the 3 dots, and where you can see here, you have some default colors that are already a part of Hapara that match and that you can select all of your cards with. Here I have pink. In addition to color coding just the cards, you'll also notice on this left-hand side I have some colors. If I click the marching ant in the top right corner of my Hapara Workspace and click Edit, I then can edit my groups, and I can also match the color of the group with the color of the section. So let's take all groups. What is SEL is in purple. Same way to change. Click the marching ants, click edit, and you'll notice all of the colors here. A lot more than the default ones and just the cards. When I go back to my Hapara Workspace, you'll notice that I have matched the purple, all groups, and then the yellow with the actual section. Here's the What is SEL all group, and then group 1 is yellow. I really like being able to do this because it helps the users, especially if littles, to say, group yellow, you're going to be working on the yellow Hapara Workspace today. Group blue, you'll be assigned the blue. Group 4, you'll be assigned the pink, and so on. Definitely be mindful and intentional about your color coding in Hapara Workspace. It can really help or hinder your user navigating it. Thanks for joining. Have a great day.